You're probably wondering why I look like James Bond after disembarking the Starship Enterprise. Well, I'm here to tell you that if we don't do something about nuclear waste right now, this look won't be a demonstration. It'll be our reality. In Science 101, we learned that unstable atoms can be a powerful tool. We can create nuclear power by harnessing energy from these unstable atoms to produce plentiful electric power that does not create greenhouse gases. But the bad news is generating this electric power creates nuclear waste. That waste is radioactive and remains harmful and toxic for long periods of time. And we are not just talking about waste from nuclear power plants. Radioactive elements are used in almost all spheres of everyday life. We're talking about medicine, industry, agriculture, and consumer products. Things that you and I use every day. We've accumulated enough toxic waste to annihilate our entire planet. So where is all this waste now? It's sitting idle underground at the plants that generated it. Most likely there's a nuclear plant near you, just waiting for a natural disaster to cause a leak and spread deadly, toxic materials in your neighborhood. Personally, I'd rather not wait for green sludge to pour from my faucet. So I'm banking on EcoProton. They've invented a process that will shorten the lifespan of nuclear waste, giving us our best chance to avoid a future devoid of trees, clean oceans, and fresh air. It works like this. EcoProton developed a process using electromagnetic pulses to convert unstable atoms into stable atoms. In a normal atom, the particles in the nucleus travel around freely like water in a droplet. But by applying EcoProton's decontamination process, the particles in the nucleus essentially reorganize to become stable and no longer radioactive. If we take this process and apply it on an industrial scale, nuclear waste can be processed barrels at a time. Repeated treatments will be required on many of the barrels, and some waste will remain radioactive for 3 to 5 years after treatment. This may seem like a long time, but when you consider the half-life of nuclear waste without this process, you are talking about shaving off hundreds to thousands of years. We can't wait any longer. We have to act now. The fate of our planet is at stake. Sure, you may think this is a good look on me, but I prefer to save our planet. And if you're with me on this, go to EcoProton's website and learn more about this new process and see how you too can be a part of saving the world.